everyone, welcome to TNT for NEET. I am back with another MCQ of tension on the string. So let's get started. So as usual, first we read the question carefully and then we will solve it. So 3 blocks of mass 4 kg, 2 kg and 1 kg respectively. 4 kg, 2 kg and 1 kg are in contact on a frictionless table as shown in the figure. If force of 14 Newton is applied on the 4 kg block, 14 Newton on 4 kg block, the contact force between the 4 kg and 2 kg block will be. Contact force between 4 kg and 2 kg. So let's start to solve this. First I'll tell you, when you solve the question like this, you assume that there is 14 Newton the force on the heavier block and the contact force between 4 and 2. So you assume that 2 and 1 is a single block of 3 kg. This is the point. This is the main point, that if the 14 Newton force on the heavier block and you find the contact force between 4 kg and 2 kg, you assume that the 2 blocks are a single block of 3 kg. Then your question is become easy. Then what they ask? First we find the acceleration, which is F upon sum of all. F is equal to 14 and 4 kg plus 2 kg plus 1 kg is equal to 14 upon 7 is equal to 2 meter per second square, and then F is equal to ma, where we want to know the contact force between the two. So we put the value of m is 3 into the a is 2 meter per second square, so F is equal to 6 Newton. We put the value of m is 3 kg. Do you know how it is 3? And the acceleration is 2, which is we already find, and then F is equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6 Newton. So which option is correct? It is B. I hope you understand the whole process on this question and you feel that the tension problem is so easy and solved in a very few seconds. So if you like this video and you want to watch another video like this, so comment and subscribe my channel, like this video, and I'll meet you in my next video with another new topic. Till then, thank you, bye bye.